Nature Jadd here, coming to you from Devil's Churn, outside of Yachats, Oregon, in the Cape Perpetua Neptune State Park system. This chasm has been carved by the Pacific Ocean since time before the one time I told you about, that one time that stuff happened, and it was a long time ago, that people have been enjoying and feeling the tumultuous waves pound down on these rocks, creating a magical display of Mother Nature. It's amazing, folks. I just can't get enough of it. Anyways, legend has it that there is a Devil's Churn rope burn, the physical manifestation of someone just twisting on that ankle or arm. If you say the words, Devil's Churn, make a U-turn, if you went past it 3 times. So I don't believe in such nonsense, so let's give it a shot. Devil's Churn, make a U-turn. Devil's Churn, make a U-turn. Devil's Churn, make a U-turn. Ah! It hurts, it burns. Nature Jadd has died.